Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is June the 18th of 2025. We have made it to day number 69 of this Miley Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge, 365 days with one offer from ClickBank. And we're going to use a service called Miley Gen Secret, and we're going to put those together. We're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Okay. So if you guys want to get caught up and see what we're doing, go back to day one of this video series and kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. You can kind of see the progress, see the sales, and see the struggle, and see how we got to where we're at right now. All right. So it's day number 69, guys. Let's go ahead and hop right to it. All right. So, if you guys have no idea what Miley Gen Secret is, Miley Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So, in other words, business opportunities. Okay. So, these people that are coming onto this list right here, these people are looking for ways to earn money online. Okay. It's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and grab offers that are related to making money online. We create an email, we put our affiliate link in the email, we send that email out to thousands of people on the My Legion Secret system. All right. So that's what it is. And just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I mean, I've been in this internet marketing space for a couple of decades now, right? Maybe a century. Okay. You can tell my age, right? So, I've been doing this for some time, guys. I've been in this space, posting ads, running paid advertising. I've done it all. I've seen it all, guys. And I have multiple different income streams that I use to earn money online. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that now. I'm not just some new guy coming to this space trying to show you how to do stuff. I've already done this for a few years, so I know it works. I created a brand new account just to come in here and show you guys that it does work, that anybody can do it, right? So I'm making it super easy for you to do during this challenge. So if you want to follow along with me, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay. So if you guys get started with the My Legion Secret system, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing different is going to be your emails versus my emails, right? So I did leave a link below this video. If you go to this link right here, this tiny URL / MLGS True Freedom. Okay, it'll take you to this My Legion Secret landing page. You get started. There's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's very inexpensive to be a part of, and then also you get in return, you're getting thousands of people every single month that's coming onto your list. Okay. Now the cool thing about My Legion Secret System is that you can have multiple accounts. Okay. Me, I have 8 different accounts. All right. Now I wouldn't recommend going out and just grabbing 8 accounts. Okay, but if you have the budget, at least 2 or 3 accounts, so kind of get you started, and then you can start earning income and start making money from those accounts. All right. Now the sweet spot is going to be about around 5. So once you get to 5, you're going to be cranking and you're going to be making money. Okay. But as of right now, I wouldn't recommend doing that if you don't have the budget. Okay. Because sometimes this is cold traffic, right? So it takes a little bit longer for these people to get warmed up to you and warmed up to what we're doing. Okay. So it takes a little bit more time. Okay. So that's why you got to put in the work. You got to come in here every day and you got to send out emails. Okay. Now the My Legion Secret System, you can send out one email every 24 hours. So every 24 hours after that 24 hours pass, you come here and create a brand new email address. All right. Very easy to do. So go ahead and get started. Get signed up below this video. Subscribe to this channel. Okay. Hit the like button. Let me know that you like this type of stuff. And I'm going to keep this stuff going for you guys, for this community that we're in. All right. So this is the back office. Okay, this is what your back office is going to look like. The most important tab is going to be this mailing system. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. You want to click on select all. Okay, that's going to drag all of the emails that are in your account over to the portal. It's going to load them up. Okay, so that way when you send out one email, it's going to go to over 177,000 people. Okay, now your back office may look different than mine. Okay, you may have a few hundred or a few thousand, right? But eventually you're going to get to this and you're going to get surpassed this. You're going to go further than that. All right. So let's go ahead and go down here to the subject line. The offer that we're using is social sales rep. It's an offer on ClickBank that we use, guys. It's super easy to use and it's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and it has free email swipes that you can use for your campaigns. All right. So let's go ahead and just grab an email. I'm going to show you guys. Just grab the subject line, come back over here to the mailing system, Control V, come down here to the body. I've already sent out my email, guys. Click on perfect timing. All right. Come back over here to the offer and grab the body text right here. So we're just going to grab that body text, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control A, and then Control V. Super easy, right? Take out signature, and you want to put in a signature. They want you to put in either your name or management, whichever one. You want to come out here and take out the high name, and we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay, so that's very important. So you come down here and take out this name, take that out, and then Control V, right? And that way, when this email goes out, it says like, "Hi Jermaine, hi John, hi whatever your name is," right? And then it goes into the email. So that's what we're going to do, all right? Now, also, we're going to be looking for a call to action button, something that says, click now to apply or confirm here or click here, right? And I do see this click here. And usually with these emails, is cool is that there's going to be bold text that's going to show you where the call of action button is. So let's just go ahead and take this whole sentence and says, click here if you're interested, right? And let's turn that into a clickable link, okay? So let's go here. As the bold text, okay? Sometimes I like to change the color to make it blue. All right. And then we come here. Okay. And we want to put in the link. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here. Underneath every email in the free email swipes, there's going to be an affiliate link. You just grab this link and then you're going to take this out right here and you're going to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. That way you get the credit for it. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take this out and we want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. I'll put in mine. Don't put in mine. Put in yours. Okay. That way you get the credit for this. All right. Control A. And then what I want to do is I want to make this either 16 or 18. And boom, look, that's it. So look at this email, guys. It looks really good. It's ready to go out, right? We're addressing our prospect by their first name. We're showing them the opportunity. We have a call to action button that says click here if you're interested. And then at the end, it lists our name right there. Okay. Now at the below the every email is going to either say click here, I mean send now or preview. You want to click on preview to make sure that this email does work and it does go to your affiliate page. Whenever you click on the link, you want to make sure that your URL is in the that your affiliate ID is in the URL. That's very important. Now, after you know everything is in there, just come back in here and click on send now. That's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. It's super easy to do. Now, you don't actually have to use this offer. If you go to the e-business, e-marketing section in ClickBank, they have tons of different other offers that you can use. But this offer that I'm using because it has a rebill of $20 every single month. And then if I do the work one time, I could just stack those $20 payments on top of each other. Okay. Which is pretty cool. That's why we're doing it. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the system. Tomorrow we'll send out email number 4. I'll just, like I said, go through that with you guys, showing you guys how to do it. It's super easy to do, guys. Okay. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to and you can grab offers. This traffic right here, like I said, they're only looking for ways to make money. So what we're doing is we're going to look in the e-business, e-marketing section of ClickBank and we're just going to use those make money online offers, okay, to send out to our traffic. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at last night's email, okay, and see how we did. All right. Let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. Okay, and today is June the 18th. Okay, now we're promoting social sales rep. We got over 1,000 hops, right? And then 641 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that went to our website. Okay, we got one order form impression. This is someone who went to the checkout page. They were getting ready to buy. They whipped out their wallet and they bought for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Now, unfortunately, we didn't get any sales today, any free trial sales. Okay, but we did get our rebill. Okay. And we're going to find out where this came from because the sale that I got the day before yesterday is going to be paid out tomorrow. Okay. So we're going to have a rebill tomorrow from the free trial that we got a few days ago. Okay. Now, so we're going to find out, we're going to dissect this $20 and find out where it came from. Okay. But Today, like I said, we got that order from impression, which is good, okay, but we didn't get that initial sale, and that's what I'm looking for, okay. But like I said, we're still new on the method, guys, and the challenge, and we're gonna do this thing to the end, okay, to the month 12, okay. We're just gonna keep this thing cranking, all right, and we're getting through month 3, all right. So we got a little ways to go. So let's go ahead and find out where this came from, all right. So let's go ahead and go over to accounts. Let's go ahead and go here. Okay. And then it's a new pay period. So let's go ahead and check out where the sale came from. It's June the 18th, Wednesday. Okay. Let's go ahead and find out where the sale came from. It's a free trial sale, guys. We don't get paid on it. Well, we do get paid. The rebills we get paid on. Okay. But the free trial is just 3 days later, you'll get paid. Okay. All right. So look, this is where it came from, guys. Today is the 18th. This rebill came from May the 18th. All right. So you know what that means, right? You do the work one time and you get paid over and over and over again. Okay. So this sale came from last month, right? Which is really good. And this is what I've been preaching to you guys. Okay. So that's really good. So this sale came from last month that we're going to be keep getting this month in, month in, and month out. Okay. So which is really good. Okay. So we did earn a rebill today. We did earn some money today, which is awesome. Okay, so and then tomorrow that rebuild from a couple of days ago is going to build tomorrow, so we're going to have another commission to look forward to tomorrow. But who knows? We might get a rebuild from last month, another rebuild, right? Someone who stayed with the program. All right. So I'm not going to make this video super long. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to do stuff. Okay. I showed you how to send out an email on the mileage and secret system. It's super easy to do. If you forgot what I said, go back and watch the video from the beginning so you can kind of get an idea on how to actually send out that email using an offer from ClickBank, which is super easy to do. And just remember, all those e-business, e-marketing offers, they all have free email swipes. So you can just go in and click on there, go into the affiliate section, and there's going to be free emails that you can use and send out. All you got to do is plug in your affiliate link and boom, you're off to the races, just like that. Okay, so I showed you how to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. Also, I did show you the results from today, from last night's email and how we did last night. Okay, I did show you, we didn't get a sale today, but we did earn some money today because we got a rebill from last month. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. Okay. And we'll go over tonight's results from the emails that we sent out. You guys have a good week and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace.